Friends, let me tell you about my friend Rohan. A few years ago, Rohan decided he wanted to get fit. He was scrolling online, maybe on Instagram or YouTube, and he saw it. The 100 push-ups a day challenge. The videos were so inspiring. You see these incredible before and after transformations. Guys with bigger chests, stronger looking arms, and so much confidence. Rohan thought, this is it. This is the secret. It seemed so simple, so direct. No need for a gym, no need for expensive equipment. Just him, the floor, and a promise to do 100 push-ups every single day. He was motivated, he was excited, and he was ready for a change. So, Rohan started his journey. The first day was tough. He could barely manage 20 push-ups in a row. He had to break his 100 reps into small sets throughout the day. His arms were shaking, his chest was sore, but he felt accomplished. Day after day, he stuck with it. By week 2, he could do 30 push-ups in one go. His chest felt a little fuller, and he could see a small difference in the mirror. He was convinced this was the ultimate fitness hack. But then, something started to change around the 1-month mark. The progress slowed down. In fact, it stopped completely. His chest wasn't getting any bigger. Instead, his shoulders started to ache. A dull pain began to creep into his wrists. The excitement he once felt was replaced by boredom and frustration. He was just going through the motions, forcing himself to hit that magic number of 100. The challenge that once seemed like a shortcut to a dream physique now felt like a dead-end road. He was confused and felt like a failure. Rohan's story is so common, guys. So why is the 100 push-up challenge so popular? The number one reason is simplicity. In a world full of complicated workout plans, confusing diet advice, and expensive gym memberships, the idea of doing just one exercise is incredibly attractive. It cuts through all the noise. The instructions are simple: get down on the floor and do 100 push-ups. The second reason is that we see initial results, and that feels amazing. When you start any new exercise, your body responds quickly at first. This is called newbie gains. For the first few weeks, you will probably see some improvement. Your chest might feel firmer. This early progress is highly motivating. It acts as proof that the plan is working. Another huge factor is the challenge aspect itself. Humans are wired to love challenges. Having a clear, measurable goal like 100 reps every single day gives you a sense of purpose. Every time you complete your 100 reps, you get a rush of dopamine. You feel disciplined, strong, and proud of yourself for sticking to the plan. Finally, the push-up is an iconic exercise. We see it in movies, in military training scenes, everywhere. It's associated with toughness, strength, and raw physical power. When you tell someone you're doing 100 push-ups a day, it sounds impressive. All these factors combine to create a powerful myth that is very, very hard to resist. The first major problem with doing only push-ups is something called muscle imbalance. Think of your body like a building. If you only build up the front wall and completely ignore the back wall, what do you think will happen? The entire structure will become weak and unstable. A push-up is a pushing exercise. It primarily works your chest, your anterior deltoids, and your triceps. But what about the muscles on the back of your body? Your back muscles, rear deltoids, and biceps are completely neglected. This imbalance creates serious problems. When your chest becomes much tighter than your back muscles, they start to pull your shoulders forward. This leads to a rounded shoulder posture, often called gorilla posture. You might think you're building a strong chest, but you're actually creating a posture that makes you look hunched over. The second danger is overuse injury. Your muscles grow stronger when you give them time to rest and recover. When you hammer the same muscles and joints with the exact same movement every single day, you don't give them a chance to heal. This is like picking at a scab before it can heal. It never gets better. This can lead to painful conditions like tendonitis or other chronic joint issues. And let's be honest, guys, the final problem is extreme boredom. Motivation is a huge part of any fitness journey. How long can you realistically stay excited about doing the same exact exercise every single day? For most people, the monotony becomes unbearable. The challenge becomes a tedious chore. When your workout becomes boring, you're far more likely to skip it and eventually quit altogether. So, if doing 100 push-ups a day is a trap, what is the solution? The answer is actually pretty simple. Balance. Instead of focusing on just one movement, we need to think about the entire body. A truly effective workout plan is built on fundamental human movements. We need to push, yes, but we also need to pull. We need to work our legs with squatting movements. We need to strengthen our core too. A balanced routine ensures that you are building a body that is not only strong, but also functional, healthy, and symmetrical. This is the secret that professional athletes and trainers have known for decades. We will focus on 3 core types of exercises: a push, a pull, and a leg exercise. This simple combination is the foundation of true strength. For our push exercise, we can keep the push-up as it really is a fantastic movement. But we won't be doing it every single day. We will program it intelligently to allow for recovery and growth. For our pull exercise, we need something that works the back of our body. The perfect complement to the push-up is the row. If you're at home, you can do inverted rows using a sturdy table or even use a resistance band. Rows strengthen your back, your biceps, and your rear shoulders. This is the exercise that will pull your shoulders back. Finally, we absolutely cannot forget our legs. Your legs contain the largest muscles in your body. The king of all leg exercises is the squat. Bodyweight squats are a perfect starting point for everyone. So, our new smarter plan is this: push-ups, rows, and squats. This simple trio is infinitely more effective. Here is a simple game plan that anyone can follow. Instead of working out every day, you will train 3 times a week. This schedule gives your body 48 hours between sessions to rest, recover, and grow stronger. Remember, muscle isn't built in the gym, it's built during rest. On your workout days, you will perform our 3 core exercises: push-ups, rows, and squats. Let's talk about how many reps and sets you should do. Forget about chasing a random number like 100. For each exercise, your goal is to perform 3 to 4 sets. For each set, aim for 8 to 15 repetitions. The key is to choose a difficulty where the last few reps are challenging, but you can still maintain good form. If you can easily do more than 15 push-ups, you can make them harder. If you can't do 8, start with knee push-ups. Your workout could look something like this. Start with a 5-minute warm-up, like jumping jacks or arm circles, then perform 3 sets of squats. Rest for 60 to 90 seconds between each set. After squats, move on to 3 sets of push-ups. Finally, finish with 3 sets of rows. The entire session should take you no more than 30 to 40 minutes. This is a powerful, full-body workout that respects your body's need for balance and recovery. So, my friends, it's time to move beyond the myths. The fitness world is full of them. True fitness is not about finding a single magic exercise. It's about embracing a balanced, intelligent approach. Don't just chase a number, chase real progress. Chase better posture, functional strength, and well-being. By training your whole body and giving it the rest it needs, you are laying the foundation for a lifetime of health. Train smart, stay consistent, and you will achieve results you never thought possible. Your journey begins now.